Right, I've cut everything out for Super Dolly and Super Doug, but just before I go into the sewing, I thought we'd better have a look at these pattern pieces. So we've got the super suit leg and the super suit upper part of the torso and the arms. We need to make them one piece before we cut them out. So cut them out separately and then line up those blocks 1 and 2. It's not a masterclass in how accurate you can tape. And then all you want is a nice thick tape, or anything you can get your hands on, really. I have used gaffer tape before. Typical, can't find the end. There we go. If you've got a mat, the best thing to do is pop some weights on something. Here you go, I've got a pot of Pringles and my scissors, and just literally pick up the top one. Gold. Yeah, not like that. And then position on the second and tape onto the mat. And what this will do is give you a very good excuse to use your rotary cutter, cut through the tape, and then just peel those bits away. There we go. Sorted. And then, so that's the full pattern piece that we will be cutting out on the fold here. We'll do that next.